So what you have to do is you have to reverse a string using pointers. The question is reversing string using pointers. We will later see on concatenation and different part also. So we have created a character array. We have read the character array. We have created some temporary variables and we have created 2 pointer variables of type character, which we will be using to reverse the string. Now I am saying that s is equal to r. That means that s is having the base address of the array. S is pointing to the S points to first element in the array. ये ध्यान रखना. अब now I need another which points to the last element in the array. So for that I need S1. So I'm running a loop for S1 is equal to array. I'm beginning with the first element. I am parsing till the last element. I'm saying array and I'm saying I is equal to 0. Array of I is not equal to the null character. Till then what do I do? S1 is equal to array of I. So I am moving it till the last element. Whatever element I am looking at, I am moving till the S1 is equal to. Now here I am not mentioning the address because base address of the array is represented by the name of the array. Here I need to mention the ampersand sign because it's referring to a particular element of the array. So when this loop is ending, what are we left with? If I am having a string stored, whatever string I'm storing here is, supposedly this is the string I'm taking and a null character. So this is my string. This is my array 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Fine. So initially S has point to this address and after this loop is over, when this loop is done with, S1 will point to the last element in the array before the null character. When we meet the null character, this updation will not happen. So S1 will be pointing to the last element in the array. After this has been done, what do I need to do? Now I need to do the reversal. How do I do the reversal? Till here, is it clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I am erasing this part and I am writing the other. I am writing after this kya karna hai. Now we have S pointing to the first element and S1 pointing to the last element. After this is done, what do? We create another loop and we have to run the loop till the length of the string has been met. So half of the length of the string. So what am I doing is you can calculate your length of the string or you can do that. I am taking an integer for integer length is equal to 0. Array of length is not equal to null character length plus plus. So by the end of the loop, I will have length is equal to 6 since there are 6 elements. So now I have length to be 6. This I have. Now I am running my for loop which does the reversal. This is the reversal loop. For I, now I am pointing this S at the initial location. So I just have to make sure that I am running till some I iterations of the loop. I is less than length by 2. I am running the loop for half number of iterations of the entire size of my array because I will be exchanging the first and the last element, the second last and the second last element, third and the third last element, and so on. And I do an I plus plus. This will give me a reversal. What do I do in the loop? I take a character. So character C, this is equal to whatever is the value at S. Value at S. Okay? Then value at S is replaced by value at S1. And finally value at S1 is replaced by the value C. This is swapping. This is the swapping which has been done of the first and the last element, second and the second last, and so on. How will the loop iterate? Loop की iteration नहीं हुई है. अब यहाँ पे iteration के लिए I add 2 more conditions. I do s plus plus. It is pointer arithmetic. It will move to the next location in the array. And I am doing s1 minus minus. So how this will run, we just see. After I am done with this loop, I have the reversed array. Now when I am going to print reversed array, now when I am printing the reversed array, I can directly print my array. So when I am printing this array now I will be getting the reversed. Let's see how is this going to work now. Let us try to understand what is the functioning of this. Initially, I'm beginning with this loop, the functioning. We have length is equal to 6. The loop is initially I is 0. The loop is going to run till I is less than 6 by 2. So which is 3. I is less than 3 that the loop will be running. And I initially these conditions are not happening. So I have S pointing to this location and S1 pointing to G. S1 is here currently. So what happens? Initially C is equal to the value at S. Value at S is S. So here C becomes S. Value at S is replaced by S1. Value at S is replaced by the value at S1. That means this S gets replaced by G in the first iteration of the loop when I is 0. Then value at S1 is replaced by value at C. Value at S1 is replaced by the value at C. This G gets replaced by S. Next iteration of the loop. I becomes 1. S is incremented to the next location so that S points to the next element. S1 is decrement to the previous location. So S1 now points to this element. Fourth element. Am I making myself clear? Again, same thing will happen. C is now is equal to the value at S, which is T. Value at S is replaced by value at S1, which becomes N. Value at S1 is replaced by the value in C, which is T. Again, go to the iteration, check whether I plus plus karo. I plus plus I becomes 2. 2 less than 3 is true. Increment S, S becomes here. Decrement S1, S1 points to the one location less. Again, do the same thing. C becomes the value at S, which is R. Value at S is replaced by value at S1. So R is replaced by I. Value at S1 is replaced by value in C. This becomes R. I again go to the next iteration. I becomes 3. 3 less than 3. Is the condition true? No. The condition becomes false. I will come out of the loop. After coming out of the loop, when I will now printing array, what will I be getting in the output? I will be getting the reverse of my given array in the output. Is it clear? How did I reverse this? Using pointers. How do I reverse a given string using pointers? Is it now clear to all of you?